So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to clean a sticky lens. I have here a very good example, and then as you can see the lens is extremely sticky and then leaving traces a bit everywhere, as you can see on my hands. But I cannot really complain, I paid €1 for this lens, so I think it's still a good deal. And then we're going to remove that right now. Just before, for the short story, this sticky was at the time a kind of coating that you find in lenses probably in the 90s and 80s that was put over the surface to increase the grip in lenses and cameras. But then the problem is that after 20-25 years this is what you get. Okay, but rather simple to remove once you know how to proceed. And then the way to proceed is extremely simple. I have this huge bottle, just for the example, just pure isopropyl alcohol that I will use, that I put just a little in a different bottle just to avoid contaminating the big bottle. You can find this a bit everywhere. I bought it on a pharmacy. And then I have my isopropyl alcohol here. I'm going to put a glove because the isopropyl alcohol is a bit aggressive when in contact with the skin for a really long time. And then I have this cloth that we're going to soak with isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm going to start just rubbing on the lens. And then you see the sticky is already coming out. So it's kind of working. Now I'm going to keep doing this. I will fast forward the video for you to see the end result, but then you will see that this thing works. Okay, here we're pretty much done with the top. As you can see, there's still some work to do, but then the sticky is gone. Now we're going to keep doing the bottom. Okay, so there is still some details to finish, but then as you can see the lens is quite clean now, and then it is no longer sticky. So at the end I got a rather good lens for $1, and then as you can see it's just a few minutes of rubbing and then you can catch a really good lens. And then this procedure you can also use for cameras. And then this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.